morning everyone. Today I want to continue with the topic exponents. In the previous video I explained the exponents introduction part. Now let us do little more detailed way. Laws of exponents already we discussed in the previous video. Which are the laws of exponents? Laws of exponents are x to the power m into x to the power n equal to x to the power m plus n, m plus n, x to the power m divided by x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n, x to the power m all raised to n equal to x to the power mn, x to the power 0 equal to 1, x to the power minus m equal to 1 upon x to the power m. Here we can write 1 upon x to the power m in both the way, both are same. Here x upon y to the power minus m equal to y by x to the power m. These are the laws of exponents we discussed already. Now today I want to show few questions. Find the value. Find the value of minus 1 by 2 to the power 2, minus 1 by 2 whole square to the power minus 2 whole to the power again minus 1. Which rule? We can simply say that the rule is this one power is to another power will be multiplied down. Base is minus 1 by 2, one power is there, power 2, another power is there, power minus 2, another power is there. So if 3 power or 4 power or 5 power, anywhere rule is power will be multiplied down m into n. So if one more power is there, that also will be multiplied down. So simply we can apply the rule minus 1 by 2 to the power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. That is becoming minus 1 by 2 to the power 2 into minus 2, 2 to 4, that is 4 only, minus into minus plus, minus 1 by 2 to the power 4, that means minus 4 times multiplied, minus will disappear, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 16, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, we can write answer directly. Second part, 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. This is a question. What we can do? Power minus 3. Power minus 3. Okay. For this one, rule applied is this one. Okay. Now here 1 by 4 to the power minus 3, power is minus, so we can make it a plus. 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1, 4 by 1 is 4 only, 4 to the power 3. 1 by 4 is becoming 4 by 1, 4 by 1 we never say 4 by 1, 4 only, 4 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is becoming 2 by 1, that is 2, 2 to the power 3 divided by 1 by 4 is becoming 4 by 1, that is 4, 4 to the power 3. Okay, what is this? 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 64 minus 2 into 2 into 2, 8 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. 64, what is this? 56 divided by 56 and divided by 64. Divided by 64, if you want we can write it as 56 upon 64, cutting is possible. Do cancellation, we are getting answer. Twenty-eight, 32, 14, 16, 7 and 8. 7 by 8 is the answer. We can divide with any number, it's up to you. I cancel with the 2 and again 2, again 2. If you are not saying 7 8 is 56, 8 8 is 64, that is the first one. 8 8s are 7 8s are. So with the 8 directly we can cancel, no issue. But ordinary way also we can do. Few more questions. 1 second. Okay, so I will explain few more questions. Express into single exponential form. Expressed in exponential form, single exponential form. Exponential form means a single. Exponential form means we should have base and power, no other things. Okay, first part. 2 by 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 by 3 to the power 6 into 2 by 3 to the power 2. Everything is in 2 by 3. 2 by 3, base 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So simply power will be added 2 by 3 to the power minus 5 plus 6 plus 2. Which rule? First rule. X to the power m into x to the power n equal to x to the power m plus n. Power will be added on. So it is becoming 2 by 3 to the power 6 plus 2 is 8. Positive numbers are 6 plus 2 8. 8 and minus 5. Minus 5 and 8. Find the difference and give sign of the big one. Power 3. Question is to write exponential form. Not to get answer. Write in exponential form. Base on 2 by 3 power 3. So now instead of finding the answer, calculating the final value, leave it as exponential form. Minus 6 by 7 to the power 10. Minus 6 by 7 to the power minus 18. Minus 6 upon 7 over 2. Again exactly the same thing. Power will be added. Minus 6 by 7 to the power 10 plus minus 18 plus 2. 10 and 2 will be added. 12. 12 and minus 18. Minus 6 upon 7. 10 and 2. 2 positive number. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 and minus 18. Minus 6. Don't think that minus 18. 18 and 2 will be added. Here no addition. Positive numbers will be kept together. Brought together. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 and minus 16. You can say 12 and minus 16. 12 and minus 18. 12 and minus 18 means minus 6. Now we will not leave the answer in this way. Question is to write exponential form. It is already exponential form. Power negative. So normally we want to give it as, leave the answer as negative power because it is very awkward. So we can make it as minus 6 by 7 to the power plus 6 plus 6 minus 6 by 7 to the power minus 6. So we can change the power as positive power. It becomes minus 7 by 6 to the power 6. Now one more thing. If we want, we can leave this minus also. Why minus? How can we remove the minus? Power 6. Power 6 means automatically minus will go. It can be written as 7 by 6 to the power 6. It is also perfect. Okay, but it is not perfect because power negative. We will not leave the answer with the negative power. So we are making the power positive, that is power 6. This is perfect, but at the same time, if you want, we can write 7 by 6 to the power 6 because power is a 6. That means when we multiply 6 times, minus will go. So this is also okay. Or we can see this better. Third, minus 2 by 3 to the power 10, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 15 divided by minus 2 by 3 to the power 25. Multiplication means the power will be added. Multiplication, power will be added m plus n. Whenever there is a division, power will be subtracted m minus n. Now here multiplication is there, division is also there. That means we can simply do addition also and subtraction also. Now in order writing so many steps, directly we can do minus 2 by 3 to the power, here addition 10 plus minus 15. Now this one subtraction, minus 2 by 3, 25, minus 25 we can write it directly. Are you understanding? These two are to be added, 10 and minus 15 will be added, then 25 will be subtracted out, minus 25. Or we can say minus 2 by 3 to the power, minus 15 minus 25. How much? Two negative numbers. 10 plus minus 15 plus minus 25. Addition, minus 25 has to be added, yeah, 25 has to be subtracted out. Anyway, it is minus 15 minus 25. So 10 minus, yeah, we can say 10 plus minus 15 minus 25, how much? Minus 40. Are you understanding? Minus 15 and minus 25. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 10 and minus 40 is minus 30. Now, instead of leaving it as a negative power, we can make it as minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 2. Minus reciprocal, minus 3 by 2 to the power 30, or minus, if you want we can leave it, 3 by 2 to the power 30. Answer is 3 by 2 to the power 30. Okay children, if you are getting confused, okay, if you feel that this will be complicated for you, no problem, this two will be added, 10 and minus 15 will be added, what is that? Minus 5, minus 5 minus 25, minus 30, minus 5 minus 25 minus 30, that only will come. Okay, with more steps or less steps, our answer is going to be same. These two are to be added, this is to be subtracted. Adding these two, 10 and minus 15 will be added, 25 will be subtracted. Anyway, adding minus 15 is same as subtracting 15. Minus 15 minus 25, two negative numbers. Okay, so getting answer as 3 by 2 to the power 30. Okay, I will show more. Next question. I think it was fourth part now. Okay, another part. Let it be simplify now. Another type, simplify. What is the meaning of simplify? Third type. First was find the value. Second, express into single exponential form. Now simplify. Simplify means make it simple. Change it into a simple thing. Okay. What we can do? 2 by 5 to the power 4. 2 by 5 to the power 5 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 9. Exactly same thing what we did just now. 2 by 5 to the power 4 plus 5 minus 9. 4 plus 5 because into x to the power n into x to the power n is x to the power n plus n. Now division means power will be subtracted. So directly some people will be saying to do this first and then subdivision, but it is not necessary because when 2-3 things are there we can do directly. This for addition, this one for subtraction. So it is becoming 2 by 5 to the power 4 plus 5 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay. Suppose it is another part like this. 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 all raised to power 2 into minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1, what is this? 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 1, 1 by 5 all raised to 2 into power minus 1. Power minus 1 means minus 8 upon 5 to the power 1. To the power 1. Power 1 we don't write. Power 1 means already minus 5 by 8 is becoming 8 upon 5. But this minus is not disappearing, it is there. Okay. Division means what? Division means multiply the reciprocal. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 becomes 5 by 1. All raised to the power 2 minus 8 upon 5. It is becoming 5 by 2 only. 5 by 2 the square into minus 8 upon 5. What is this? 25 by 4 into minus 8 upon 5. We can do cutting. 5 5s are 25. 4 1s are 4 2s are. That means minus 10. Not only simplified, we are automatically getting the answer also. Okay. Something else. 2 by 3 to the power 2 all raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 6. One power raised to another power. Power will be multiplied down. 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. We can write it directly, no issue. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. 3 by 1 that is 3. 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power minus 1. 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. That is 2 by 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. We can see many things will get cancelled now. So instead of doing the calculation, simply 3 to the power 4, 1, 3. 6 means 2 into 3. So let me write 2 into 3 here only because I am realizing that so many 3's are there. So let it be 2 into 3. So that we can do cutting. 2 6 times. 3 6 times. 3 to the power 4. Now here 3 into 3 is there, 3 into 2 into 3 is there. 3 to the power 4 and here 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 2. How many? Yeah, 1, 2 to the power 6, here 2. 2 to the power 6, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6, 1, 1. That means 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8. Understanding or not? 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 8, 6 plus 1, 7. Here 3 to 3 to 3, 6 times. One more 7 times. One more 8, 3 to the power 8. Then here 1, 2 is there. What we can do? 2 to the power 6 minus 2. 3 to the power 4 minus 8. Division rule. X to the power m divided by x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n. 6 2 to the power 6 2 to the power 1 6 minus 1 6 minus 1 2 to the power 6 minus 1 3 to the power 4 3 to the power 8 3 4 minus 8 2 to the power 5. What is this? 3 to the power 4 2 to the power 5 3 to the power 4. Let us see once again. It has to be checked because they are asking. Okay, simplification only, no problem. So it is simplified. Dot means what? Dot means product into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4. One power raised to another power multiplied. Power negative, so power is becoming 3 to the power 4. 1 by 3 to the power 1, 1 by 6. 2 by 3, 2 to the power 6, 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 4. Below 3 square is there, 3 into 3 and 2. So if you are combining 2 to the power 6, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6, power 6 plus 1 that is 8, 3 to the power 8. 3 here 6 times, 2 more. Now we can do 2 to the power 6 and here 1, 2. 2 to the power 6 minus 1. 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 8, that is 3 to the power 4 minus 8. Instead of this subtraction, if you want, we can say another way, like 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 8. We can think about cutting also. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times 3 and here 8 times. So what will be balance? If I am doing cutting, it will come 3 to the power 4. And when it is coming up 3 to the power minus 4, are you understanding? 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 5. What is answer? 2 to the power? Answer is 2 to the power 7 minus 5, 2. If you want, we can think it as cutting. Because 2 into 2 into 2 7 times, here 5 times. So 5 times cancel and 2 times remaining. Okay, so we can think the same thing in different way. One more part. One small one because the space is less here. Small one. Okay. Let it be like this: 3 square minus 2 square into 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4. 2 by 3 to the power 3, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 to the power 3. 9 minus 4 is 5 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 3 into 3 into 3, 27 upon 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Question is to simplify only, so we can multiply and leave it as answer. 135 upon 8 answer. Okay. Now I want to show one different type of question. Another type of question. I think it is for the type. Okay, you write the number according to the order. Okay, question number 4. I think now it is another type. Find the value. Find the value of m in the following. Okay, so here it is written 3 by 7 to the power 4 into 3 by 7 to the power 5 equal to 3 by 7 to the power 2m plus 1. Simple thing. Which rule? Power will be getting combined 3 by 7 to the power 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, power is getting equal to 3 by 7 to the power 2m plus 1. That is same as 3 by 7 to the power 9 equal to 3 by 7 to the power 2m plus 1. The rule applied, if you want, you can write x to the power m into x to the power n equal to x to the power m plus n. Rule applied here. Power is getting added. Now what we can see? Base exactly same. And two things are equal, left side equal to right side. These two things are equal and the base is equal. That means automatically we can say power is also equal. So we can say the word by equating the power. By equating the powers, because two things are equal, whose base is same, so power has to be equal. We can say 9 equal to 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1 equal to 9. 2m plus 1 and 9 will be same. 2m equal to 9 minus 1. M equal to, that is 8. 8 to 2m. M equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. So power is supposed to be 4. Another one. Second part. 2 by 7 to the power minus 5 into 2 by 7 to the power m. Like this. Base 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. So we can apply the rule. Here it will become 2 by 7 to the power minus 5 plus m equal to 2 by 7 to the power 6. Rule is same again. X to the power m plus m. Rule applied down. Now addition is not possible because it is a variable. Left equal to right, base is same, so we can equate the power by equating the power, we can say minus 5 plus m equal to 6. Therefore m equal to 6 plus 5, that is 11. So very simple thing. Hope you are understanding all these things. Now one more question. Yeah, like this. 2 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 2 upon 5 to the power 15 equal to 2 upon 5. Yeah, let it be 5 by 2. 5 by 2 to the power I will change it. This will be little different. I will make it as 5 by 2. 5 by 2 to the power minus 15 equal to 2 by 5. Okay, little bit different. 2 by 5, here 5 by 2, here 2 upon 5. Question is, find the value of m. Find the value of m. Can we apply the rule? We cannot apply because it is base is not the same. Here 2 by 5, here 5 by 2, here 2 by 5. So left side means base is not the same. But at the same time we know we can make it the same easily. 5 by 2, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So we will make it 2 by 5. 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 into power negative. So we will make it as 5 by 2 will be taken as 2 by 5 to the power positive plus 15 equal to 2 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3m. Now we can apply the rule. Base is same. 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 plus 15. 2 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3m. It is becoming 2 by 5 to the power. Find the difference and give sign of the big one. 12. 2 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3m. By equating the power, base is same, so power will be same. 2 plus 3m equal to 12. 12 equal to 2 plus 3m. 3m equal to 12 minus 2, that is 10. Therefore m equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. I hope these type questions are clear. So we will go to another type of question now. Another type of question. By what number should 15 to the power minus 1 be divided? So that quotient becomes quotient may be equal to minus 5 to the power minus 1. By what number should 50 to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient becomes minus 5 to the power minus 1? This type of questions. Even though it is very simple, sometimes many children will be getting confused. If the question is 10 by 2, all are knowing 10 by 2 is what? 10 by 2 is 5. Simple concept, 10 by 2, 5. Now, compare it with this question. By what number should this be divided so that the quotient, this is quotient here. By which number it has to be divided, something has to be divided. By which number? This is a missing thing. Something has to be divided. By which number? 10 has to be divided to get 5. By which number 10 has to be divided? So that means that 2 is missing. 2 is missing. By which number 10 has to be divided to get this one? Quotient is given, dividend is given. Dividend is given. This is dividend, this is quotient. So very simple thing, we know 10 by 5 is 2. Required number equal to, simply we can say required number equal to, required number 10 by 5, 2. To get a quotient, this is quotient, this is a dividend, that is 15 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 5 to the power minus 1. 15 to the power minus 1 bracket is necessary or not? Not at all needed. 15 to the power minus 1, simply we can write 15 to the power minus 1. But here bracket is compulsory because power minus 1 is 4 minus also, 4 5 also. So here it is compulsory but it is not necessary. If you want we can put that only. 15 to the power minus 1, 1 by 15 divided by, we will make a power positive, minus 1 upon 5 to the power 1. 1 upon 15 divided by minus 1 upon 5. Division becomes multiplication with reciprocal, minus 5 by 1. 1 upon 5 is becoming 5 by 1. Minus 5 you can simply say 5 ones are 5 3s are, that is answer is minus 3. Minus 1 by 3. 3 below. So answer is minus 1 by 3 is the required number. Are you understanding? Usually children will be doing this question with the help of x and all. Divide by, let the unknown number be x, then 10 divided by x is equal to this number divided by x equal to this, etc. etc. Is it needed? Not at all needed. Because when it is a simple thing, get the answer also simple way. Why we have to make it complicated? Make it complicated by taking it as x. X means it is a variable. When the things are complicated, we are getting the help of, we take the help of variable to make it easy. But it is already easy, remember it. Okay, so don't bring the variable unnecessarily. 10 divided by 2, 5. By which number we have to divide something? So 10, 2 is missing. We are understanding. Okay. Another one. Something like this, one more question. Yeah, x at the same type. By what number should 1 upon minus 2 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 4 by 7 to the power minus 1. Which technique? As I said, it is about multiplication. Question is about multiplication. So write any simple thing. Simple multiplication. 2 6 are 2 into 6 are 12. All are knowing into 6 are 12. Any example you can take. 3 4 are 12. 3 4 are 12. Yeah, 2 into 5 10. Any number we can take. 2 into 6 are 12. Now compare it with our question. Simple logic. By what number should this be multiplied to get a product? So product is there. 12 is there. By which number this has to be multiplied? So among this one is missing. Suppose it is missing one of this number, product of two number is 12, one number is there. So no need of any variable x and all. Simply we can say one number is there, product is there. So second number, required number equal to 12 by 2, 6. Product divided by 4 upon 7 to the power minus 1 divided by, I hope you are understanding. Children, if you want in lower classes, you may be writing like this. First number equal to first number equal to minus 1 upon minus 2 to the power minus 1. Then let the second number be, let the second number equal to x. Now we will write product equal to 4 by 7 to the power minus 1. Now 1 upon minus 2 to the power minus 1 divided by, no, into multiplication, into x equal to 4 by minus 7 to the power minus 1. Therefore x equal to etc etc. We are not making it easy, we are making it complicated. I don't think that I am writing all the steps so it is easy method. No. Actually there is no need of any x here. Simply we know 2, 6 are 12. So all now we know. Class 2 you studied this one. Sum of two numbers are 10. One number is 5. 5 plus which number is 12? 5 plus which number is 12? So simply we can say 12 minus 5. No need of any variable unnecessarily. We studied algebra doesn't mean that everywhere we have to apply algebra. Okay? So simply get it down. Required number product divided by this. 4 by 7 to the power minus 1, that is 7 by 4 divided by 1 upon minus 2 to the power minus 1. Power minus 1 it becomes minus 2 by 1 minus 2. That would be power minus 1 minus 2 by 1. If you want we can write, but it is not at all necessary. Minus 2 by 1 minus 2. Now division means 7 by 4 multiply the reciprocal again minus 1 upon minus 1 by 2. 2 by 1 1 by 2 minus is there already, that is minus 7 by 8 answer. I hope you are understanding. If you are doing with this one, no issue, no problem, that is also perfect. But we can simply get it here. What I did, I simply took the help of what I studied in class 2, class 3. Product of two number is 12. Product is there, one number is there, second number means simply division. Sum is sum of two number, 5 plus 7, 12. One number is missing means simply subtraction. Division 10 by 2 equal to 5. If this is missing, question is like this: what should be divided by 2 to get a 5? Which number should be divided to get divided by 5 to get a 5? So it is missing actually x divided by, but no one thinking it was missing number and all. I can write as like this: 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Now what should be divided by 2 to get to 5? That means these two things are there, this is missing. What should be divided? Dividend is missing, so simply product to be accepted. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Okay, see you.